Hi, I'm Melissa, and in this tutorial I'm going to go over the video widget. You can display YouTube or Vimeo videos on any of your Workspace pages. So here's an example here that I've got. I've got a video at the top and some text at the bottom. So in the back end of Workspace, if we go to the About page, go down to the Page Designer, and we've got the video widget here. So to add a video, we go to the Widgets menu and to Video. So here you can copy and paste your YouTube Vimeo URL, and you can also change the height of the video depending on what size you want. So I'll just paste our video here and it appears at the bottom just so that you know that it's correct. I'll save that, and just to move it above the text we just click that move button and drag it back up to the top. So we'll just preview that. Great, and that's it here. And that sums up our video widget. Thanks for watching. Bye.